Your body is not what you think it is. It hides powers and secrets that sound impossible. But today, we are going to reveal them. No. 1. Your stomach replaces itself every 3 to 4 days. The acid inside your stomach is so strong it could dissolve metal. To protect you, your body rebuilds the stomach lining constantly. Number 2. You glow in the dark. Yes, every human emits small amounts of light. It's just too weak for the human eye to see. Cameras can actually capture this faint glow. No. 3. Bones are stronger than steel. Ounce for ounce, human bone is about 5 times stronger, yet it's light enough for you to move with ease. Number 4. Your body has a second brain. Not in your head, but in your gut. Over 100 million nerve cells control digestion and mood. That's why stress affects your stomach. Number 5. You carry more bacteria than human cells. Right now, trillions of microbes live inside you. They help you digest food and even influence your thoughts. Number 6. Your blood travels thousands of miles every day. If you add up all your blood vessels, they could circle Earth twice, and your heart never stops pumping through all of it. Number 7. Your ears never stop growing. Unlike most of your body, ears and nose keep expanding with age. That's why older people often look a little different. 8. Your fingerprints are not the only unique pattern. Your tongue has a print as unique as your fingers. If scanned, it could be used for identification. Number 9. You can survive without a large part of your organs. People live with half a liver, 1 kidney, even part of a lung. Your body adapts and keeps going. Number 10. Your brain is the hungriest organ. It uses about 20% of all your energy. Even while you sleep, it's burning power nonstop. The human body is a masterpiece of survival and design. Every hidden trick tells us we are more powerful than we realize. And now we're going to reveal an incredible secret about our viewers. People who watch these videos until the end are more likely to subscribe and never miss an episode. Are you one of them? Well, if not, here's another chance. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We have prepared a special gift for you there. A new episode that will blow your mind even more. Click now and see you there. Here's a fun fact. Your emotions can affect your physical health. For example, chronic stress can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to illnesses. So it's important to find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. What's your go-to method for managing stress? Share with us in the comments. And while you're at it, don't forget to like this video. We always appreciate your engagement. Now let's continue with the incredible facts about the human body that you didn't know you had. No. 11. You have more friends than stars in the sky. The number of bacteria in your body outnumbers the stars in the Milky Way galaxy. These tiny organisms play a crucial role in your health, helping you digest food, produce vitamins, and protect against harmful pathogens. Number 12. Your skin renews itself every 27 days. As you get older, your skin cells start to turn over less frequently. This can make your skin look dull and dry, but you can keep your skin looking youthful and radiant by using a good moisturizer. Number 13. Your heart pumps 2,000 gallons of blood every day. Your heart is a powerful muscle that works tirelessly to keep blood flowing throughout your body. This incredible organ pumps oxygen and nutrient-rich blood to every cell in your body, ensuring that you stay healthy and active. Number 14. Your body produces its own painkillers. When you experience pain or injury, your body releases natural painkillers called endorphins. These chemicals help to alleviate discomfort and promote healing. Number 15. Your body converts food into energy in less than an hour. Your digestive system is a well-oiled machine that breaks down food and absorbs nutrients quickly. This allows you to fuel your body and stay energized throughout the day. And number 16, your body temperature is slightly higher in the afternoon. Your internal clock regulates your body temperature, which can affect your energy levels and sleep patterns. Now let's put your knowledge to the test. How many of these facts did you already know? Share your score in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.